Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a Christmas table for two. Come on with me, guys. So let me go ahead and tell you real quick what's on the table. So those beautiful, colorful nutcrackers, those came from the Dollar Tree. And what a nice size they are. Now that tall white one with the bling, oh my goodness, that was a thrifted item that came from HomeGoods. I'm loving it. Alright guys, so this video is a part of a collaboration called TABLESCAPE Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. TABLESCAPE Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, usually it's freestyle unless we have a guest, and hosting this collaboration is myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and hosting with me is Amethyst Adventures. Now, we always mention the collaboration and who's hosting at the very beginning of the video. We also link their information, their channel links below, and the collaboration name down below in the description box. So this is an absolutely budget-friendly tablescape. So the placemats, believe it or not, they came from the Dollar Tree. Absolutely beautiful. The chargers did come from Hobby Lobby, and those beautiful tree dishes, they came from the Dollar Tree. Now, if you head on over to the community tab, you're going to see the calendar of collaborations for the month of December 2024. I also released the videos, so please head on over there and watch that. I am so excited. So let's head on over back to the tablescape. So the flatware did come from Aldi, and I got it in the gold tone. They did have black and they did have silver. Then the glassware, the wine glasses, came from the Dollar Tree, and the water glasses were thrifted from the Goodwill. All right, so time to light the candles. I think this is a fun tablescape, and I hope that you think so as well. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.